So we got power on it now. 3 sets of jumper cables. And we know it's a catalytic, a mass airflow, or a weak fuel pump cutting out. I'm wondering if somebody siphoned all my fuel out of it too. 3 sets of jumper cables. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Showing any fuel?
I think it's out of gas.
I think somebody stole all my gas.
It's like on empty. Clearly empty.
I'm gonna, can I,
I'm gonna leave you one of these pairs of jumper cables.
Okay.
Fake one.
and I'll carry your battery back to your car?
I got it already.
Oh, okay, boom.
Would you do me a favor?
What do you want
and
left?
would you drop them off at my place, please? Because if you put some gas in the sink, you probably fire it up.